Today we will learn how to set your blog as your homepage in WordPress in just a few minutes. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to the WordPress website. Make sure you are visiting the official page where you normally manage your site. Once the page loads, direct your attention to the upper right corner where you will see an option to log in. Go ahead and click on the login option to start the process of entering your account. After clicking the login option, you will see a prompt that offers several methods to sign in. In this tutorial, we will focus on using your Google account for this purpose. You should select the option that says Continue with Google. When you click on that, a list of available Google accounts will appear if you are signed in already. Otherwise, you may be prompted to log in to your Google account. Choose the account you wish to use for managing your WordPress site. This method simplifies the process by using credentials you already trust. Once you are logged in, it is time to access the settings of your WordPress site. Look for the settings menu within your dashboard. Sometimes this is located in the sidebar or under a general menu option. Upon entering the settings area, the objective is to navigate towards the section that controls the reading settings of your site. This is where you determine what visitors see when they enter your site. Within the settings area, locate the section related to reading preferences. This section is often labeled clearly and concerns how content displays on your site. In the reading settings, you will be presented with several choices on how you can display your content. The initial default may show your latest post on the homepage, but if you wish to transform your blog into the homepage, a few changes are needed here. Next, within the reading settings, you will see an option to define how your homepage displays. You should notice an option that allows you to display a static page instead of your latest posts by default. Select this option to make sure that you can then choose a specific page for your homepage. This small adjustment is crucial because it tells WordPress which page will serve as the front page when visitors arrive at your site. Once you have selected to use a static page, additional selections will become available. Among these, you will be able to choose which page will act as the posts page. It is here that you want to designate your blog. By selecting your posts page, you instruct WordPress that your blog post will now be presented on the homepage, effectively transforming your blog into the front page of your site. After you have made these adjustments, scroll down to find the button at the bottom of the settings area that allows you to save your changes. Clicking on the Save Changes button will apply all the modifications you have made. This final step is essential because without saving, your new homepage design will not be updated and your site will continue to display the previous configuration. Following these steps ensures that visitors to your site are greeted with your blog content on the homepage rather than a static welcome page or an alternate display. By carefully navigating through the login process, accessing settings, adjusting the reading options, and saving your changes, you have now successfully configured your WordPress website to display your posts on the homepage. Enjoy your newly updated site and the benefit of having your content front and center for all your visitors.